a toothache.
Oh my God!
Een Scottish focus. Ja, dat is niet zo mooi.
Ah! She's a very freaky girl!
Motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
And number 4 is Mr. Obsessed. And now I've been around guys who are like
Hear no evil,
obsessed with me.
see no evil.